Hi guys, welcome to engineering today. So with another FID day, somewhat unexpected. I was hoping to be in the classroom. So those of you that are in class right now, but actually working at home, on February 19th, we're not 100% ready for this project, but we're going to go for it. We are going to be making our 12-inch groove, which is one of our bottom boards to help support our floor system. We're going to do both the part and the drawing today. The students that are EDGE students, you will be doing this in a few days. This is in your calendar for next week. And I probably won't remake this video, so apologize for the first part of that. So let's get started in making our 12-inch bottom groove video, our part. New document. You'll be happy. Whoops, why did I put an E on the word bottom? I don't know if I can change that name or not. Thankfully I can. Whoa. All right, so I'm going to start by right-clicking, new sketch, right-click, view normal to sketch plane, create my rectangle. It is going to be 12 inches. I just made it 1. Let's amend that. So I double-clicked. Now it is 12 inches wide. I only want it 3.5 inches in height. Yes, that is looking much better now. And I believe we are ready to extrude it. It will be extruded to 3/4 of an inch. I always like to go to isometric to make sure it is extruded correctly. I'm then going to right-click for a new sketch, right-click, view normal to sketch plane. I'm now going to be putting a rectangle in, and this rectangle is where what is going to be my groove. So I am going to, whoops, I don't have my rectangle tool. So here's my rectangle. I am going to specify that I want this rectangle to be 12 inches. I guess it doesn't like me doing that. Okay, actually, let me show you this in a different way. Let me get rid. Let's just delete that. All right, we got rid of sketch 2. Now I'm going to right click. No, that's not what I wanted. Right click, new sketch. Now, in case you didn't catch how I got rid of that sketch, you can do a right click and simply hit delete. So I'm going to put my new sketch in here again. And I'm going to put my rectangle in. I think I don't want to click this bottom corner. I think that's what caused me some problems. So now I want to say the groove is going to support our floor, and it is going to be a 1/4 inch off the bottom of our board. This is going to be a 1/4 inch. And that groove is only going to be a 1/4 inch. So the groove is a 1/4 inch off the bottom, and the groove is a 1/4 inch deep, or a 1/4 inch in height. So that's our second sketch, just this rectangle that is a 1/4 inch up and a 1/4 inch tall. And then we are going to extrude that rectangle, but we are going to remove, so we're going backwards, but we're only removing a 1/4 inch. And that is our final outcome for our part. We do now want to, I thought I updated this name. Oh goodness. We do want to now put this into a drawing. So we'll do our plus sign, create drawing. We do want it in ANSI A inch. Okay, so here's my part. Double click. And let's change our scale to 1/4 inch. So we're here. Go to here. 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 And I then like to hit escape on my keyboard. We now are going to dimension. Oh, so if we remember, we can go over here and hit the wrench so we can make our units in inches fraction. Now we don't want to just dimension that as 3. We want to dimension from here to here to be 3.5. We then are going to specify that the groove is 1/4 inch up. And we're going to specify that the groove itself is 1/4 inch in height. Now we don't want to leave that number in there. We want to bring him out. And then the other dimension that's really important for us to put on here is on our side view. We need to specify that this is 1/4 inch deep. And that is our drawing. So this drawing is what you do need to screenshot today to put in your assignment. Please include, either have this name visible or this name. This one's actually easier for me to read. Do not put any dimensions on the isometric view. So we're going to do our screenshot. And I don't have the slideshow there yet, but there is going to be a placeholder. Let me show you where this will be. Under week 5, it'll say 219 in class, or maybe I'll put FID day so we know in class FID day assignment, and it'll say 12-inch bottom groove, and there will be a slideshow in there as well as this video for you to put your work in. So enjoy, have a good one, reach out with questions, and we'll hopefully get this taken care of and be back in the classroom in no time. Have a good day, guys.